Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to load money on Dunkin app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now to load money onto your Dunkin app and use it for purchases, what you need to do is head over and open up your Dunkin app and then be sure to be logged into your Dunkin Rewards account as well. Now once logged in, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the add or manage cards option. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is add a payment method. You can add a payment method to fund your Dunkin cards in the app. This allows you to make payments directly from using the app. Simply tap on other payments, then here tap on add credit or debit card, then enter in your bank details and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully add your card. Then once added, then tap on add funds next to your Dunkin card in the app, then choose the amount you like to load on your Dunkin card, then confirm and complete the transaction. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.